So how can you copy text from the screen on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So you might be in a situation where you can see some text on the screen, and it's not like an article where you have the ability to select and copy it, but it might be like a pop-up or any other type of text. And in that case, if you want to copy that, the best way is to take a screenshot by pressing the volume up and the power button at the same time. The screenshot will be captured and you can click on it. And in the bottom right corner, you can see we have the select text option, and all of the available text gets like highlighted in here. And you can either click on copy all, or you can manually select the amount of text or the specific parts or the words that you want to select, and then perhaps copy or look up or do whatever else you want. Right, so that's how you can do this. The text will be then copied, and you get to decide what exactly you want to do with that screenshot, right? So you can just save it in your gallery if you want, or just tap on the X in the top left corner and it will be like discarded. So you only copied the text and no screenshot gets saved. So I guess it would work and get the job done. So let me know if that's the thing that you are going after or looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one so you never miss anything important. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.